This is how the IKEA restaurant looks. These are some of the things you can get. Some really nice desserts and a huge area to sit. This was the cold beverage, costs around 35 rupees or 50 cents or so. It was a pear juice, really yummy, nice pear flavor. This one was lingonberry. It was very tasty, quite a nice flavor. You also get unlimited refills, so you can try all the flavors. I tried mixing all of them. It wasn't good. Quite nice. Really refreshing drinks. You can also get hot beverages for 50 rupees or 80 cents or so. You get a cup and you need to make your own coffee or tea. The coffee was really strong and quite good. Quite nice. Check it out.